regarding how we can push a file on the GitHub repository. Okay, so basically for that purpose we should have a code, right, in a system. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Maybe you can write any you can use any editors. Okay, so first step will be we need to go open that file on your editor in which your code is there. Like you can just use open folder, and here you can just tap on any folder. I'm using the video test I've just created. It's right now empty, so let's select it, and here's I am inside that folder. Let's create a file named test.html. Okay, so this is just for testing purpose. So I'll actually host this code on our profile GitHub repository online. Okay, so I'll just put a sample code, and here I'll just put h1. Let's say we can say like hi, hi, this is a test. Cool. So we should close it, and it has been closed. Right now just check it like it's running or not, or there is some error. Let's copy the relative path, like copy the path, go to our browser, open a new tab. Here I am. So let's paste it and run it. So it's running, guys, it's running. So basically the first step has we now have a code to host on our on the GitHub. Okay, so now what the next step is? Next step is to just push the code in our website. So just go to our GitHub profile. Here I have already created. Let's create another one. Okay, so here I am with another new one. So let's refresh it. Okay, so let's create new. Here I am, like, just name the repository. We can name any name, like I'll just put test1. Okay, so we can, the rest of the things you can just maybe at default, you don't need to, it should be public. Okay, this you don't need to put anything in on these sticks. Okay, just say create repository, and after that you will go to the your repository has been created. Okay, and now you have to push the files to this place. Here are all the commands. What the first step is, like, to initialize git init that folder in which that particular file is on your system. Okay, so basically we'll just go to this file, and for that we'll go to video.test. I'm inside it. Okay, so basically what you can do, you can just tap Ctrl J. Okay, if you are using Visual Studio to access the terminal, or you can just go directly like this. Okay, so whatever step you can follow, no issues. So here I'll just tap git init. So let's go to this code, and you can just copy this. Okay, just copy this, copy, and here in the visual code just paste it. Okay, enter. So yeah, so now my this has been initialized. Second step will be, you can follow all the steps here. Okay, second, you don't need to follow this. Okay, you can just directly put git add dot. Okay, so it will add everything. Here you can also view the status here, like git status, and here you can see one file is needs to be committed. So just tap git add dot. Okay, enter. So now it has been added. Now you can see git status. Okay, so this needs to be committed now. Okay, it has been added to like added in the committed on the stage. So let's it's on the stage. Okay, whatever is been added, it is in the stage. So now we can just tap git. Here you can go and just see git. Now you have to commit it. Like, you can just take this, copy this, git first commit. We will not change the name. You can change whatever name it can be, but let's take it as default, since it's a first it's your first. So you can just put it first commit or initial commit, whatever suits you. Just enter, and here it has been committed. Let's see git status now. Here git status, enter, and nothing to commit. Now what the next step is, to push the file inside the repository. So the next step is like to branch. We should go to the git branch main. Okay, let's copy it, and here paste. Okay, now it's in the second step is this one, git remote add origin. Okay, just copy it and paste it, enter. Okay, now the last step, which will be like to push that file. Okay, so here sometimes it actually might trouble doing this. So if but most probably it will work. Okay, if it didn't, you can even use the force command. Here one thing is like force. Okay, so you can just paste it and just push. Okay, so most probably it will work. Okay, so most of the times, but if in certain cases it will create issues, but in that case also you will able to manage it. Okay, so there is no issues mostly in most of the times. Okay, so it has been committed, so you can just check git status now, and in the git status you will see nothing to commit, so everything is on. But once you and you can go to our here in the repository, just refresh it, and you can see it has been committed. You can just go first commit, and here my code is. Okay, so it was really simple. I hope you like this video. I want to mention one more stuff here. Like once you have done this stuff, and you are just taking, like you are just changes it something, like you can just put like this is a taste and there is a change, there is a change. Yeah, so now you will just see the git status. Now it has been it needs to be committed. Okay, so you will use, like if you want to like you can see it has been colored. That this feature I just love in like Visual Studio. Whatever we change here, this thing it just color up, and here in the, like when you just put git status, here it has been modified. So what you can do, you can save the file, like the same steps follow. Like you have to first put it add dot. Okay, now it has been added. You can see in the git status, and here it is like in the stage. Then the other steps like git rest of the steps will be the same, like git main, and yeah, it has been in the branch, is up to date. Now the push, so like that you can do it. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my video. Okay guys, so hope you like this video. Goodbye.
In the grass, and we have been tossed in the wind because of the work that we did in the past. Because of the work that we did in the past. When we went to hours, we barely got rest. So I get the realm and we didn't finesse. So I got the feelings.